Hello everyone, I welcome you all on Kiddipedia again. Our today's topic is pre-pregnancy care. आप सबने ये नोटिस किया होगा, all your mommies have to tell you that please have a proper diet, add fruits in your diet, juices, milk, green leafy vegetables, etc. This will help you post-wedding. And we take it for granted. And we just look at our moms and say, "What are you talking about, mama?" And we think, कल की कल देखी जाएगी, तब की तब देखेंगे. But no, my dear, at this point of time, your mom is 100% correct. एक अच्छे कल की तैयारी हमें आज से स्टार्ट करनी होती है. To conceive is not a one-day task. It is a complete process. It is divided into steps. As today, women are working. So we think about financials, careers, and once we are done with that, we come to step number 2. We think of planning a baby, having a baby. Step number 3, we conceive. Step number 4, we see a gynecologist. But in this complete process, in all your steps, you are neglecting one very important step. हम एक बहुत ज़रूरी स्टेप को, बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टेप को ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं, जो है प्री प्रेगनेंसी केयर. बिफोर वी कंसीव, we have to take care of so many things. We have to see our gynecologist before we conceive, not the day we conceived. Here, you ask your gynecologist that, am I physically fit to carry a life within? Here, your gynecologist will advise you so many things. Number 1, your gynecologist will advise you about your weight. आपका सही weight क्या होना चाहिए? What is the ideal weight? न आप ओवरवेटेड होना चाहिए, न आप अंडरवेटेड होना चाहिए. अगर आप ओवरवेटेड हैं, then again you will obviously gain weight in your pregnancy. 10 to 14 kgs weight हम gain कर लेते हैं. That is a problem. और अगर आप अंडरवेटेड हैं, again that is a problem. क्योंकि आप अपने womb में बेबी को कैरी नहीं कर पाएंगे properly. So for these things, your doctor will advise you a proper diet. You will have to add things in your diet that are rich in folic acid, rich in iron, rich in calcium. By adding all these foods in your diet before pregnancy, will help you avoid taking so many tablets of iron, calcium and folic acid. आप बहुत सारी टैबलेट्स लेने से बच सकते हैं और एक हेल्दी और हैप्पी बेबी को बर्थ दे सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, योर गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट विल एंश्योर दैट ऑल योर रिक्वायर्ड वैक्सीनेशंस आर डन. एंड इफ नॉट, अगर कोई वैक्सीनेशन रह भी गया है, so we have ample amount of time with us for that particular vaccination before we conceive. And after that, again your gynecologist will ensure that आप एक diabetic नहीं हैं, you don't have any issues of blood pressure or thyroid or any other type of disease for which you're already taking medicines or any sort of drug. This is very important to discuss with your gynecologist that are these medicines safe during pregnancy, and if they are not safe, your gynecologist will change your prescription, which will balance your health and will not affect your baby in womb at all. By doing all these things, we are protecting our baby in womb from so many diseases which can come from us. Also, avoid intake of alcohols and stop smoking. Next we come on level of hemoglobin. Your level should be not less than 12 of your hemoglobin in your body. If it is less than 12, then again it is a problem. So again, that is the pre-pregnancy care. We will have to reach the level of hemoglobin till 12 before we conceive. So next is pre-pregnancy workout. You should not do exercises which are very vigorous. You can go for a walk, you can do yoga, even swimming. Too much exposure to chlorine water is not good, of course, but you are not going to swallow it in. So it is safe. All these exercises will definitely help. So this is all about pre-pregnancy care. So guys, add this important step before you conceive. So bye bye for now. Stay tuned for more updates and videos.